By the lake, tailgate jumping with the bass. Stars above like diamonds bright, shining down on this kind of life. We ain't got no fancy things, just guitars and tire swings. But you don't need much to feel this free, with dirt on your boots and good company. It's country wide open, chasing the sun on a free boy.
Short ride lang tayo today. Then tinetesting ko tong bike mount. Ang hirap.
Chasing the sun on a free boy ride. Every mile got a story to tell. Living life like a rebel, yeah. With the wind at our backs, hearts unbroken. Feeling alive, country wide open. Let that sky stretch far and high. We'll keep running till the day we die. Yeah, the good life's calling, just hoping we stay forever, country wide open.
Ligaw pa tayo. Bilis ng mga sasakyan. Ang hirap gamitin ng Google Map pag nagmamadali ka. Alam mo yung mga konting aberya, nakakadagdag stress. Kahit naaral mo na yung map, yung place, pag ando ka na sa may point ng decisioning, hirap. For me, ang hirap. So 30 to 35 kilometers lang today. Just testing tong bike mount. Medyo challenging siya for me. Hirap. tayo. So far, parang okay yung narangba loop. I mean yung what's it called? Oh, narangba, part siya ng narangba. Ayan, okay yung route na tinesting natin today. Uwi na tayo. Uwi na. Mayroong train. Morning. Hey. Hey. Insta 360 X5 ba yun? Oh my god. Bakit? Yung self-reason ka. Reason. Oo. And then yes, recording ng mga 30s. Kada yata yung ano niya, quality, and then yung so maybe next year kasi magsisale naman yun eh. Pwede mo siyang, just in case na masira yung lens nga, pwede mo siyang palitan, unlike yung X4. So taste muna siguro ako sa GoPro. Ito na tayo sa coffee shop. So medyo maaga pa. Morning. Ang dami na rin nagja-jogging. Pero ang init ah. Ano parang 6 AM. So mainit pa rin. Ano mainit? Mainit na. Okay. Tapos na yung ride natin. Naka 31 kilometers na tayo. And so far okay naman yung mga daanan natin today. Maganda siya pag mga kasi may konting hilly. And then yeah. So yes. Wala, tapusin na natin yung video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. God bless everyone. Stay safe.